All right, let's give this a go. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to describe it. Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. I had a completely different video planned for today and then switched gears when I saw this come in PR. You guys, I am so excited. So this is the new Rare Beauty lip oils. Let me unveil them here on camera. Look how pretty. So this is the new Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil. These are inspired by their blushes, apparently. Look how cute the PR package is. Selena looks stunning, as always. And so I actually bought a few of the shades on Sephora, and I was waiting for my order, and then this came and I was like, great, I get to try all the shades now and do a little review for you guys. So these retail for $20 US. It says that they are an innovative gel to oil formula. It's a buildable pinch of color and shine, instant hydration, all day comfort, and it's available in 8 shades. So let me show you guys up close so you can really see how beautiful these are. I love the packaging. I love that it has a similar cap to the blushes. I think that's really cute. So we're gonna just try them on. I'm so excited. I haven't tried them. I was dying to like open them, but I refrained. I put on a good amount of lip balm because my lips are so dry right now. So actually I'm excited that this is like a lip oil swatch video, not like a liquid lipstick or something. So first let me swatch these on my arms so we can see the full range, and then of course I'll try them all individually. Ooh, these are so pretty. Okay, I'm already so excited to put these on just based off the swatches. So here are all 8 shades. From left to right we have Serenity, Honesty, Joy, which is actually one of their blush shades, Happy, Hope, which I believe Happy and Hope are blush shades as well. We have Delight, Wonder, and Affection. Look how pretty. They actually seem pretty pigmented, and I can already feel the gel formula, which I'm excited to put on my lips. Oh my, well, I just wiped them off. It looks like they are stains as well. So they might actually stain the lips, which is not bad actually for, you know, everyday wear, to have a little bit of the color shining through after it wears off. Let's try these on. I'm just gonna go left to right from the PR box. So it's not necessarily like lightest to deepest shade or anything like that. Starting off with the shade Serenity. I love the packaging. Again, I love this cap, and then here is the doe foot applicator. Really pretty. All right, let's give this a go. Ooh. Wow, it's like a gel. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to describe it. I mean, I guess they described it really well actually. A gel to oil formula. It has like that cooling gel sensation that a lot of lip stains have, but then it kind of warms up on the lips and feels more hydrating. Like it doesn't really dry down like a lip stain would. So interesting. Really pretty. This is a really nice rosy tone. Again, this is called Serenity. I'm gonna try to move fairly quickly because I don't want my lips to stain too badly to where you can't see the shades. We're gonna go into the next shade. This is called Honesty. I really like how the packaging shows the color on the inside. I think like if you were to collect a few, they look really pretty next to each other. All right, so this one's more of a brown, also really pretty. It's funny because I can kind of feel it sinking into the lips. It almost feels tingly. I'm not sure if it's like plumping or not. I don't think it claims to be, but it almost feels like it has a similar effect where it's just kind of like really absorbing into the lips. So here's the shade Honesty. Next up, we're gonna try the shade Joy, which is again one of their blush shades. Ooh, this is a really cute one. This has a really pretty coral peach tone to it. Super pretty. So again, here is the shade Joy. The next shade is one that I bought myself, and it was one that I was the most excited to try, and that is the shade Happy. This is one of my favorite blush shades, so I was excited to see how this looks on the lips. So this is a really pretty pink color. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, yeah, it has a little bit more of a cool tone. I feel like the swatches are kind of getting interesting because they are leaving stains behind, but I'm hoping you're able to see the difference regardless. I'm trying to layer them up enough so that you can really see the color, but they build up really beautifully. This one's a gorgeous pink color. Again, this is called Happy. I also bought the shade Hope, which is another one of my favorite blush shades. The two that I use the most from the blush line is Hope and Happy, so I wanted to pick up the lip oils in both those colors. Hope is a little bit more mauve though, where Happy is much more of that bright pink. So let's try on Hope. Here's the packaging of this one. This one looks really pretty. Ooh, yeah, this one's really nice. This one's like a nice everyday pink color. Here's Hope all over the lips. Again, I feel like you can see more of an intense color because every single one of these are kind of staining my lips, but hopefully you can see how wearable this is for every day. It's a really nice pink shade. Next up, we're gonna try this shade right here. This is called Delight. Ooh, that one really is a delight, isn't it? It's a gorgeous rose brown. How pretty is that all over the lips? Again, this is the shade Delight. So pretty. Yeah, this is definitely a very unique formula. I don't think I have anything quite like this. It definitely feels like a hybrid, like they describe it, between like a gel lip stain and a lip oil. So far, it feels very hydrating on the lips as well. Like I said, you kind of feel it going into the lips in a good way, and it's leaving those stains behind. We have just 2 more left. The second to last shade is called Wonder. This is the other shade that I actually bought because I was really excited about it. Oh, how gorgeous is that? Ooh, this might be my favorite. This one has like a hint of raspberry in it, and I just think that's so pretty. So here is Wonder all over the lips. Honestly, this formula is feeling so nice, especially right now. Where I'm at, it's like between winter and spring. It's not spring yet, but even going into spring and summer, this is gonna be such a pretty formula for every day. So cool. Okay, we have 1 more color left, and that is the deepest color, and it's called Affection, which is like this really gorgeous berry color. Let's see how this looks. My lips are so stained, but I feel like you can still see the color on top. That one's juicy. Ooh, how pretty. So again, this one is called Affection. Such a unique formula. I'm really excited to wear it for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna try to create like a little lip look. I know it's probably gonna be hard for me to see exactly how these wear off throughout the day because I've got 8 shades now staining my lips. I'm gonna try to neutralize them a little bit and create a little bit of a lip look. I like to do that anyway. So let's go in with a lip liner from Rare Beauty first. I'm gonna take one of my favorite shades called Humble. I'm just kind of lining and filling in the lips a little bit since they're stained pretty dark. And then, you know what, I don't know, I really liked the shade Hope actually. I also really liked the shade Wonder, but Hope was kind of like a fun everyday color. So I'm just gonna add that right on top. I love a good cool tone pink. This is actually layering really well over top of a lip liner. That's so pretty. I will say, I feel like these stain the lips a little bit brighter than what they initially apply as, which is just something to keep in mind. Like on the arm, I feel like it's pretty true to color, but for some reason on my lips, once it really absorbs, it turns a little bit brighter, which is not a problem at all. I think it's actually really pretty. So here's the final lip look. Let's talk about the formula. I do feel like it's a very innovative formula. Like I said, you feel the gel, you also feel the oil, and it's such an interesting sensation. I'm telling you, it kind of feels like there's a plumping ingredient in here, although they don't explain it to have that, so I don't know if that's true or not, but it just feels like it's really sinking into the lips, almost tingling a little bit, but not in an uncomfortable way. But I just wanted to point that out. And if you guys have tried this, can you tell me if that's accurate for you, or maybe it's just because my lips are so dry, maybe it's feeling that way, I'm not sure. But it feels really comfortable on the lips, but for me, like that plumping feeling is noticeable. When I press my lips together, it's so comfortable. It's not sticky whatsoever, which is really nice. Overall, I feel like this is a really cool formula. I don't have anything quite like it in my collection, and I have quite a few lip products. I think it's a really good kind of one and done lip product. I'm excited to see how it wears off. Again, check the description box for my notes on that. I'll try to give you guys my best opinion on how it wears off, even though I stained my lips completely with all the colors, but this is definitely a product that I personally would wear when I don't know what makeup look to do. Then you just keep everything else really simple on the face, but you want something a little bit fresh on the lips and the cheeks. That's where you can add a bit of blush, and then I think this kind of a product is a really easy way to elevate your look very quickly. So yeah, I'm excited about the formula. I feel like out of everything, my favorite shades are actually the ones that I bought, which are Wonder, Happy, and Hope. If I could only choose one though, I really feel like I would stick to Hope. It's just one that I feel like I will wear the most. Actually, Joy was also kind of a fun surprise for me. I really liked how that looked on the lips. But right now I feel like Hope, if you were gonna try one color, at least for me, I feel like that's a good go-to because it feels more everyday. And I'm just someone who loves a cool tone pink. So yeah, anyways, so those were all 8 shades. Let me know in the comments down below what shade is your favorite out of the 8. And if you've tried them, let me know what you think about the formula. For me, I feel like it is really fun, really unique. Something that, again, is gonna be great for every day, in my opinion, for spring and summer. Honestly, Rare Beauty just keeps launching incredible products. I know you guys are such fans of the brand, as am I. I feel like they do really good staple products that are really timeless, which I love. So this is another thumbs up for me so far. Again, check the description box to see how it wears on me and how the hydration feels as it wears off throughout the day. I'll be sure to update you there. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Allie. I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber, but you want to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, click on the bell after you subscribe and you'll get a notification every single time I post. That's it from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you. Bye.